What's up friends and welcome to this video guide. I will share with you how to cancel factor subscription. So friends, log in your account. This is the first step you need to do when you log in your accounts with your all details here. So guys, this is the first step you need to do. Log in your accounts and then go to your setting. After go to your setting, look for the setting option. Just look for the setting option. Click this profile of the setting and then you will see your premium membership. Just click deactivate my plan, this option. As you can see here, click on this option. You will see your plan from your order history. So friends, in this case, you can manage delivery from anywhere and anytime. So this means you can cancel your subscription anytime. Just look for your plan from here, your profile icon, and then click on cancel, deactivate my plan. So friends, this is how you can do. Just click deactivate my plan and then you will cancel your plan successfully. So friends, if this not work for you, just scroll down, click help and center. So friends, from help and center, go to manage my subscription and then click your cancel my accounts and then follow this prompts here to cancel your account. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. So guys, you can reach also the support team by click chat now and then ask this virtual asset for cancellation process.